That's a big swarm.
Hi, Tom.
Yeah.
Wow. The bees are all on that map, but none of them are making their way into the frames.
Okay, they're starting to come in.
Oh, they're all making their way. Look at them. Tom, they're all going in. Look at them just marching. Wow, that is cool.
How do you stop it?
Okay. You alright, Tom?
Yeah, I'm okay.
They're all going in. That might be the coolest thing I think I've ever seen. We got him. Wow. Never seen anything like it. Look at how just marching. Better?
That sting?
Yeah,
No, the
can,
nose is still stung. But,
now that you can see a little bit though.
so they're going in the side there, aren't they?
Yeah. So we'll need a better bottom situation.
Yeah, well, I put it down low to make it easier for them to get in. And we should put it up on top. That was a great idea to use that deep super for the
Base.
riser, yeah.